Hey guys, you made it! It's Alessandra Ambrosio here. Welcome to my house. So this is the front patio, and here I have some citrus trees, and I brought my Brazilian jacaranda tree. So we have Brazil right in front of the house. Come in. So it took me a long time to find this place. When I actually got into this house, I just fell in love. This house was built in the 20s by John Byers. It has the Spanish revival, authentic feeling, and how comfy this house is. So this room is one of my favorite rooms to relax. I love music, so there's a lot of guitars here. This is a very special piece to me because it was painted by the Gêmeos. They're from Brazil. They're like street graffiti artists, and so they just did this specially for me. Here's my little bar where I can make my caipirinha and just chill. I can just stay here all day listening to classic rock. So now let me take you to the rooms. This is my daughter's, Anja's room, so let's take a peek. Oh, hey Anja.
Hi.
What are you guys doing?
I was reading a book with him.
This room, it's very girly, and it has a Marilyn Monroe picture on the wall because me and Anja are big Marilyn Monroe fans, and we love all her movies. And it has like some cool black stars because she's a rock star. This is my son Noah's room. There's a lot of space, and he loves toys, you know, like boys. He likes little cars, tons of Legos in there. He just did this beautiful robot. So this is our amazing piece of art that he did for his room. So this is a picture that me and my daughter did for a campaign, the first campaign we shot together, shot by Stuart Shining. I know him forever. So he's been shooting always like all my family pictures. He's a great friend of mine. This is my room, my sanctuary. That's where I hang out and I get to read books. I get to play with my kids. They love jumping in my bed. So it's kind of girly, very light. I love crystals. There's like crystals around the room. I love animals. I love photography. I have pictures from Allen Von Werf, Patrick Dermachelier, Herb Ritz, Nick Brandt, the giraffes in Africa. I love that. And the kids love sleeping here with me.
Yeah. She has the most comfy pillows in the world.
Mwah. This is my favorite chair because it's a mid-century Brazilian chair. It's called jangada, and it was made by Jean Gillon. I just love reading a book here, or, you know, take notes, write things. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you guys to my living room. So here is my living room. Welcome. I started with my interior designer, Martin. He gave me the idea to make this whole wall a bunch of different pictures, and we went together and started collecting and buying. This room has a lot of mid-century furniture. These chairs that I love, they're like from Georges Zalzupin. This is mid-century, that piece is mid-century. And we have a piano here. I used to play a lot of piano, and now my kids take pianos. Yeah, you go there, okay? Espera que a mamãe vai. Um pouquinho menos. Onde é que tu parou? Aqui? Então para aqui. Here's my photography collection. There's like some rock stars that I love. Jim Morrison right there. Robert Plant, Hollywood icons, Elvis Presley. I do love that Brigitte Bardot picture up there. And this one here is like this amazing vintage Chanel picture that I love. I actually love this one right here. Peter Beard shot of me, and it's like those original big Polaroids. And he made all this cool art in it. You know, I love all of them. So now I'm gonna take you guys to the dining room. This dining room space definitely captures my boho spirit. It's very inspired like in the North African. This was the first piece I actually bought for this house, and it's an Egyptian chandelier. These glasses were made to burn incense, so it's very nice and sexy. It's a very sexy room to dine in. This kitchen is where we hang out most of the time. We do most of our meals here. It's always chaotic here, you know, like we're like running in and out of the house. And of course, I had to bring the Brazilian flavor, adding these chairs to the traditional kitchen. I love eating healthy. I love fresh fruit. So I always have like fruits all the time at the house. Every morning, I drink my Brazilian mate called chimarrão. Of course, I brought this from my hometown, so it always reminds me of my town in Brazil, Erechim. So to carry the Moroccan theme to the house, we add these lanterns. And of course, my children's favorite fixture of the house, our fish, who's called Chili, because we got him at the chili cook-off. Let me show you guys the family room. This is the family room where we love to hang out, and I have these Brazilian chairs from Aldo Tutti. And here is our comfy couch where we spend most of the time just watching TV. Oh, let me show you these cute little details about this room. These are pictures that me and the kids shot for Glamour by Patrick de Marchelier, and the kids were super cute. This was like in Saint Bart, and we just had so much fun. I have to show you my class pictures. There's a few classes here, 2013, 14, 15, 16, and 17 of the shows that we did for Victoria's Secret. One of my favorite shows was 2016 in Paris, and me and Adriana got to wear the fantasy bra, and it was so special. I'm gonna take you guys to my favorite part of the house, and this is definitely the ultimate California lifestyle. This backyard is definitely what I fell in love with this house. You know, it has like that boho chic. Now, I actually nicknamed this house Dolce Casa. It's like from Dolce Far Niente, which is like an Italian saying like not doing much. And casa, it's house in Portuguese. There's nothing like coming home and feel like you're on vacation. I always have my friends around, the family is always here, and we entertain, we cook. Brazilian barbecue is a very big thing in my family. We eat Brazilian barbecue at least 3 times a week. Like I grew up with my family in Brazil cooking these amazing barbecues every weekend, and that's exactly what I do here at home. So that's where we serve the meat. So that's where I like serving the meat, all the meat. And here we are in the cabana where we like to hang and sit and eat, drink, have fun, talk, tell amazing stories. I love the blue wall, and these Moroccan bowls are just beautiful, and I'm just started collecting them. I'm sure one day this is gonna end up like full of bowls all over this wall. Everywhere I go, I like to bring a piece, like it's little decorations, and just add it in my house. There's a TV here, so if there's like an important game happening, all the boys, all the dudes get here and start screaming. My team is Brazil, of course. Let me show you my bathroom, because there's a detail that I love here. My headline, so I have this headline called Ali by Alessandra, and here's are some of my favorite hats and some of my inspirations of hats that I bought all over the place. Here we are in the backyard of the house, and that's where the kids love hanging. There's a lot to do. There's like the swings here. Hi, Noah. So what's your favorite part of the house?
Should I tell them?
Yes, tell them.
Okay. So we have...
And it's the zip line, you know. There they are, my little Brazilian monkeys. Go, Anja, yeah! One Brazilian monkey. My little Tarzan. Should I throw you in the pool? Yeah. So this is my Dolce Casa. Thanks for coming, and I gotta go feed the kids. Ciao, guys.